Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Blendy Jet is probably one of the most popular and sought-after portable blenders in the market, offering unmatched convenience and efficiency for those seeking a quick and easy way to prepare their favorite smoothies, shakes, and blended drinks. In this video, we will delve into a comprehensive review of this amazing product, exploring its features, performance, and overall value to help you decide if it's the right fit for your needs. Number 5. Hamilton Beach 51131 Portable Blender. It blends your favorite drinks right in its BPA-free travel jar. The included lid makes it easy to take your smoothie on the go. It even fits most car cup holders. Its durable stainless steel blades easily crush ice and frozen fruit for perfectly smooth results. Add more vitamins and nutrients to your diet with ease. Cleaning is a breeze. The jar, blades, and lid are all dishwasher safe. It's small and portable, perfect for home, office, travel, or even a small dorm room. It fits most car cup holders for ultimate convenience. Simply press the button and you're ready to enjoy your smoothie. It's the perfect personal blender for a quick and healthy treat. What we like? It's dishwasher safe, small, and powerful. If you have a small kitchen or are always on the go, this is perfect for you. Its compact design fits in most car cup holders, making it ideal for commuting. You'll enjoy the ease of cleaning and powerful blending performance. What people say? It's easy to put together and it's super easy to clean. I put a ton of fruits in it and it did an amazing job blending it all up and making the perfect smoothie. This simple small blender is very easy to use and easy to clean. If you just want to make a quick smoothie, highly recommended. Number 4. Oster My Blend Blender. This is the Oster My Blend Blender, perfect for making smoothies and shakes on the go. Its compact size and powerful motor make it ideal for any lifestyle. Blend your favorite ingredients directly into the included sport bottle. No more transferring or cleanup. The 20-ounce BPA-free sport bottle is dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. Enjoy your smoothies without the hassle. It crushes ice with ease thanks to its powerful motor. Get perfectly blended smoothies every time. It has a built-in resettable fuse that protects it from overheating. Your safety is our priority. Find delicious recipe ideas right in the instruction manual. Get creative and explore new flavors. It's compact and easy to store, measuring just 15.25 by 5 by 5 inches. It's perfect for small kitchens and easy to take with you. What we like? It comes with a travel bottle and is very easy to use. If you are looking for a blender to take with you everywhere, this is a great option. Its one-touch blending makes it super convenient, and the powerful motor crushes ice with ease. It's perfect for those who need a quick and easy way to make smoothies on the go. What people say? It was pretty annoying having to use and then clean a full-sized blender when I was only making a single portion of smoothie. This takes up significantly less space and makes making a single serving a breeze. It crushes the ice cubes into slush after 20 seconds. After 30 seconds everything is frothy. It solves many problems of traditional blenders for smoothies. 1. Because you mix it directly into the bottle, you do not lose all the smoothie that would stick to the sides of a regular blender when you pour it into a cup. 2. You can get extra bottles, so if you only run your dishwasher every couple of days, you can just get a couple more bottles so you always have a clean one. 3. It takes up substantially less room on the counter. 4. There are not a bunch of settings you have to choose between. 5. It does a really good job of blending smoothies because that's what it's made for. Number 3. BlendJet 2 Portable Blender. Say hello to BlendJet 2, your new favorite portable blender. It's perfect for making smoothies and shakes on the go. It's completely cordless and rechargeable via USB-C, so you can blend anywhere. No more outlets needed. Cleaning is a breeze. Simply add water and soap, blend, and rinse. It's that easy. Its compact size makes it the ideal travel companion. Take it to the gym, office, or on your adventures. Despite its small size, it packs a powerful punch, blending fruits, vegetables, and more with ease. Enjoy perfectly smooth results every time. With a generous 16-ounce capacity, it's big enough for a satisfying smoothie or shake. Perfect for your daily needs. It features a durable stainless steel blade for efficient and long-lasting performance. Blend with confidence. What we like. It's cordless, rechargeable, and self-cleaning. If you value convenience and portability above all else, this is the one for you. Its cordless design allows you to blend anywhere, and the self-cleaning function makes cleanup a breeze. It's ideal for those with busy lifestyles who want a hassle-free blending experience. What people say. The designs and customizations are unmatched in the portable blender market. The BlendJet is the most powerful wireless, handheld blender I have ever used. It's a kitchen essential because it gets the job done whilst being quiet, fast, and super easy to clean. Number 2. Reveuse Smoothies Blender. This personal blender is perfect for making smoothies, shakes, and more. Its powerful motor and sharp blades easily crush fruits and vegetables. With 300 watts of power and high-speed stainless steel blades, it blends your ingredients quickly and smoothly. Say goodbye to chunky smoothies. It's lightweight and compact, making it easy to take with you wherever you go. Blend and drink from the same bottle, thanks to the included travel lid. The 18-ounce BPA-free blending jar ensures healthy and safe drinking. It's also easy to clean, just rinse with water, do not use dishwasher or hot water. Simply press down for pulse blending or twist the bottle to lock for continuous blending. It's that simple. This holiday season, give the gift of healthy and convenient blending. It's a thoughtful present for friends and family. What we like. It's powerful, portable, and durable. If you need a blender that can handle tough ingredients, this is a great choice. Its high-powered motor easily crushes ice and frozen fruits. The durable design ensures it will last for years to come. It's perfect for those who prioritize performance and longevity. What people say. It has been knocked off the counter, traveled around the country, dropped, etc., and still works fantastic. It's easy to clean. As long as you secure the blending portion to the bottom of the cup, that portion of the device won't need regular cleaning in the same way the rest of the device will. Unscrew the bottom with the blades and run it under hot water with some soap, and within seconds, it's done. Same with the bottle. Very simple and easy to deal with. This blender makes a smoothie in 15 to 20 seconds. The Ninja makes a smoothie in 15 to 20 seconds. This blender's blades aren't as sharp as the Ninja blade, but the difference in the end product is barely noticeable. Number 1. USB Travel Blender. This lightweight, cordless blender is perfect for on-the-go smoothies and shakes. It's also great for making baby food. Made from durable, non-toxic, BPA-free ABS materials, it's built to last. It's also easy to clean and maintain. Charge it easily with your phone, power bank, or any USB port. No more worrying about finding an outlet. It's powerful enough to blend smoothies, juices, and even baby food. Plus, it doubles as a water bottle. With a 4,000 mAh battery, it can blend up to 20 times on a single charge. That's plenty of smoothies for your day. Simply align the black arrow with the switch, and you're ready to blend. Remember to charge it for 3 hours before the first use. What we like. It's rechargeable, portable, and can be used for various purposes. If you are looking for a versatile and convenient blender for smoothies, juices, and even baby food, this is the one for you. The long-lasting battery allows for multiple uses on a single charge, making it perfect for travel or busy days. What people say. It's a small, portable size with a handle, so we can use it with a carabiner or hook and take it on our backpack trips. It worked well in chopping up nuts, fruit, and small ice cubes. I use this to make my smoothie in the morning. It's quiet so it doesn't wake up everyone else. These days, I put 1 plum for strawberries, yogurt, maple syrup, and ice. It all fits inside. It's good for a small smoothie. You cannot put like 3 bananas in there. It's definitely strong, big enough for a 1-person smoothie. I've had no issues with it. I recommend it. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.